Hi there, it's Marina here. I am going to use this gorgeous scrapbook paper pad called Melody by Lemoncraft to make an easy and simple card. On the left, you have the opportunity to see the sketch number 5 that is created by Gosia, and you can find a lot of sketches like that on Lemoncrafters group on Facebook. All the links of the products I used are down below in the description box. The sketches are a guide for us and help us to make projects based on the sketch. So for today I will be making a DL card. I love the combination of the colors, they are perfect for wedding projects. I am sticking a 3D foam tape to give a little dimension to the second layer of my card. This is an element from the paper pad. Some pink sizzle here. The flowers I used are created by me with foamiran. I used distress inks to paint them, spun sugar and old paper. Now, in the position where it says text, I am going to stick the man and wife sentiment, which is from the collection. I stick small foam pads. Small foamiran flowers here and there. And of course, as you can see on the sketch, two beautiful butterflies to give a spring touch. That was for today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me your comments down below. See you next time. Bye!